Well, when the announcement was made on Friday, we were all told we had town meetings, so we had one here in Tullamore and Portlaoise on Monday, and there was a lot of anger in the room in that we will now be moving what is a very good company, Bord na Móna, to work with, and has been over the years, to a private company which wouldn't carry the same terms and conditions as we have here, whereas the company is telling us our terms and conditions will carry. There is no guarantee of that if the sale goes through. Well, from the feedback from the Portlaoise meeting, which was yesterday, and the Tullamore one, which I attended myself, I would have to say the feelings was, it was palpable. There definitely was anger in the room, that we've dedicated a lot of time of our lives to this job and we've never been consulted. This was just dropped on us last Friday and we're now just really expected to just toe the line. So I would say in consultation, I should say, with Adrian Kane in situ, absolutely nothing will be off the table up to and including full strike action. Well, I wouldn't know exactly how big our customer base is, but going for what I'm reading in the media, it is up to or maybe above 135,000 customers, and I would hope that after listening to Adrian Kane on Radio 3 this morning, that the customers in the Midlands and all other bases that we represent, hopefully they will row in behind us and support us in our endeavour.